Good morning, teachers and friends. My name is Samanvit Tiwari, and I recently scored 95.4% in my board examinations, 12th board examinations in the year 2019 and 20. This was a long effort which required a lot of practice from my side and from teacher's side. Well, I was very grateful and very thankful that I found very good teachers in Kailash Vidya Vihar, and they helped me a lot in the subject, in the problems that I faced in the subject, and even in the problems that were not related to the subject in daily life problems like time management and other such things. Well, I wrote a lot, I made a lot of notes in subjects like physics, chemistry, and biology. My especially weak point was physics, and I focused a lot on physics. In the starting, I didn't get good results in physics, but later on, I started coping well. Then, languages are also not to be underestimated, they are very important. And English and Hindi were my languages in which I read a lot of stuff inside the textbooks of NCERT and even outside NCERT. Finally, I solved a lot of sample papers which helped me a lot in getting an idea about what will be the pattern of the board examination, and how should I write, how should I manage my time in board examinations. So sample papers are very necessary, and now I will attempt NEET examination, which is required for becoming a doctor, and that is what my focus is. I want to become a doctor. I want to do MBBS. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Atulya Nair from Lala Kailashpat Singhania Public School, Limbahera, and I stood second with 93.8% in 12th science. I felt very elated when I came to know about my results. And yes, of course, it takes a lot of hard work and dedication to achieve such goals in your life. And for this great achievement, I'm heartily thankful to all the teachers of my school for creating such cheerful environment that we never felt like learning was a burden, rather it was a passion. Their expertise was vital for this achievement, and their 24/7 hard work, energy and efforts to provide the students with the best learning opportunities is felicitous. They molded me to prepare the road ahead in my life. It is rightly said, a teacher affects eternity. One can never tell where their influence stops. And their positive thoughts, encouragement and persistence in my early life has taught me about who I am, and that helped me to get to the topless list. Now if about my parents, the pillars of my life, who always believed in me, they taught me that I can never be wrong in my life or even higher with a generous spirit. Now, well, as a student, I think it's very important to be focused, determined and self-inspired lightly from the beginning of the year without any distraction, and always with the do-it-now spirit, however small the work is, because procrastination makes easy things hard and hard harder. And one more thing is that we should never fear to make mistakes in life. All we have to fear is fear itself. But what's more important is to learn from those mistakes. A fool is one who repeats his mistakes. Now, if about schooling, then I think schooling is a cycle of strict identity in which we continuously challenge ourselves and try to step outside our comfort zone. And yeah, definitely it has its own ups and downs. But I must say here that without a school like this one, we couldn't have developed other life skills other than academics, which is required to live a happy life. Now, to all the aspirants, my only suggestion will be to set your goals from the very beginning and learn to manage time and be consistent in your performance. And remember, mind is not a vessel to be filled but a fire to be ignited. And of course, have fun, because the time you enjoy wasting is not a wasted time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jayant Wadala, class 12 graduate from LK Singhania Public School, Nimbahera this year, that is 2020. First of all, I would like to express my heartful gratitude to all my teachers, parents and the school authority, whose combined efforts, guidance and blessings have always motivated me to think out of the box and set new benchmarks. With their blessings, I succeeded in bagging to my credit the district topper's position with 97.60% in the commerce stream. I am proud to say that the experience and the knowledgeable faculty of the school always stood by us all the time. I think the sky is the limit, and I still have miles to go and beyond that. With reference to my own academic success, I would like to insist only one thing, that is, You cannot throw a gigantic rock into a small hole in just one go, but with your regular efforts day in and out, you surely can. Similarly, every exam requires regular study and practice. Discipline, punctuality, regularity are the key of success for every person. This journey may have some uncertain events for which you can never plan, but your dedication can help you get through it. I did well in all the exams and scored better marks. When I think about my journey of 12 years in this school, I still remember walking through the corridor for the very first time. I wonder how shy, introvert and limited to academics my interest was. But this journey turned out to be an introspecting one for me, where I found my inner self and explored the opportunity of public speaking, which is the need of hour. This experience will always remain everlasting and will always emotionally attach me to the school. And one principle I always count on is life begins at the end of your comfort zone, and be ready, the comforts are gonna end soon. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Simon Nair, a former student of LK Singhania Public School. Firstly, it is an honor for me to express my gratitude to all the teachers, school authorities and my parents whose combined efforts, guidance and blessings helped me to achieve this position with 94.8% in commerce stream. This will probably be the last time I am addressing the school, so it has to be something special. It reminds me of my amazing 12-year voyage that passed in a blink of an eye. I remember myself entering the school as a shy, docile girl, and today as a confident, self-dependent girl ready to start a new voyage. This place has given me several memories, many true friends, and lessons of life. The teacher here helps us to develop our potential and embraces our strength. I am grateful for my life and destiny for bringing me to this school. This beautiful experience with teachers and our students is something that I cannot even express in words. At last, I only wanted to say that I am indebted for my parents for living, but to all my teachers for living well. Thanks to all the teachers and school authorities for the astounding job they are doing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Aditi Sharda, outgoing student of class 12 from Lala Kailash Singhania Public School. I have scored 92.2% in class 12 and stood third position in humanities stream, and feels very grateful to be here witnessing the success beneath the blessings of my parents, teachers and of course institute, which contributed commendably in the success of mine getting this vibrant result. Talking about the institute, Lala Kailash Singhania Public School is nothing less than GPS for the students' scholastic journey of schooling. It not only helped me to get good results in academics only, it helped me for all over personality growth. The school has provided the opportunity to me to represent in front of other schools in various competitions, opportunity which I myself found fortunate to get. Teachers have taught me comprehensively more than what is published in the books with the best approach suitable for the student, which is the ultimate reason of my accomplishment. Efforts such as this are invaluable and cannot be acquired anywhere. What I learned throughout the journey of Lala Kailash Singhania Public School is to how empathize and care, be the better version of oneself. I am very thankful for all teachers who never felt tired of my curiosities and doubts and provided me a bundle of experiences which will help me in further walks of my life. School not only helped me to develop mentally but physically through dance, sports and emotionally through their knowledgeable imparting patience and influencing motivation. The contribution of teachers are never forgettable and feel very emotional by sharing this vote of thanks with you. What I learned throughout these schooling years is permanence, persistence and perseverance of all of us made this milestone achievable. Once again, thank you for your blessings. Deep from my heart, thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arpit Padidar, an outgoing student of class 12 from LK Singhania Public School, Nimbahera. For everybody's kind information, let me introduce myself as the one who secured second position in class 12 with 95.6% this year. For this wonderful achievement, I would like to thank my parents and the teachers, without whom support and guidance it would not have been possible. I always had an aim to make my parents feel proud on me by scoring well in exam. For this, I am very glad to have such supportive teachers, and that matters a lot for me. They always stood by me day in and day out. As a result, the hard work of all have paved its way. I believe that whatsoever I have achieved in this board examination is the result of combined efforts and support of my parents and the teachers of LKSPS Nimbahera. They not only prepared and guided me for this challenge, but also helped me to cope up with the mental pressure during exam through their constant motivation. If it comes to the question, how come I was able to achieve this high? Then I would simply say one thing, that there is no rocket science to achieve something or score well in exam. It's just the matter of how determined and consistent you are for your goals, because it's not a one-day job. And this consistency and constant behavior were taught and brought in me by the teachers of LK Singhania Public School Nimbahera. I would like to thank the entire authority of LK Singhania Public School Nimbahera for their unconditional support, which helps me to bring out my hidden talent during school days and help me to move along with success. Before I take your leave, I would like to say one thing, that a dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. Thank you all of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, greetings to all. My name is Anyut Kumar Gaur. I recently graduated 12th from LK Singhania Public School Nimbahera. I am from Commerce stream and I secured 3rd position in the school topper list for the session 2019 and 20. First of all, I would like to thank my teachers, parents, school authorities from bottom of my heart. Without their unconditional support, motivation, this achievement of getting 94.8% in 12th was unimaginable. Teachers who always stood by my side, who guided me, prepared me for this challenge, and helped me to pave a way to a progressive career and get success in life. The equal credit goes to my parents, who are my teachers, first teachers, taught me everything I know. This milestone requires a determined, focused, concentrated mind toward goals one wishes to achieve in life. It does not happen like by chance, neither it is a coincidence. It requires sincere efforts and hard work on a day-to-day basis. I would like to say one thing on this mindset is that I am a greater believer in luck. I find harder I work, more of it I have. For this mindset and for everything, I would like to thank all the experience and patient fraternity of LK Singhania Public School for their blessings, for their support that encourages us students to dream beyond the limit of a normal human being. All these years in school has given me a solid cornerstone on which I can build a glittering career later in my life. Before I take your leave, I want to say that school is like an ocean of learning, values and innovation. Now it is up to us how fathom deep we are willing to go in thrust of it. Thank you so much.